Oppo Reno 6 Pro. So in this video I will tell you the exact features and price of this mobile. This mobile comes with a 6.55 inches of Full HD plus resolution 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED display. It is a HDR10 plus content certified display. When we talk about the processor, it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200, which is a 6nm based octa-core 5G processor, 5G supported processor. And it comes with a UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR5 RAMs. When we talk about the storages, it comes with a 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage variant also with no expandable memory. And when we talk about the cameras, in this Oppo Reno series mobiles, camera is the major highlight thing. This Oppo Reno 6 mobile comes with a quad cameras at the rear side, 64 megapixels of main wide angle, 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, 2 megapixels of macro, 2 megapixels of depth cameras. And in this year, they are also making a lot of improvements with this camera system. So wait until the 14th July to know about it clearly. And it also comes with 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera also. And for the battery, it comes with a 4500 milliamp of bigger battery. It supports 65 watts of SuperVOOC 2.0 charging technology. And when we talk about the features, like this model comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, and it also got the loudspeaker, not stereo speaker. And when we talk about the features like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features, which are latest, and this mobile also comes with the loudspeaker, not stereo. Okay, and this model does not have any 3.5mm jack, so gamers keep that in mind. And when we talk about the colors, this model will be available in 3 colors. Those are black, blue, and that mystic color, like the gradient color. And this mobile price will be around 42,000 rupees, almost like 41 to 42,000 rupees. So wait until the July 14th, know about the pricing. And by the way, I'm making this video without any editing because my computer monitor was broken. So until now, up to the monitor, up to I buy a new monitor, the videos will be like this. So yeah, watch this and subscribe to the channel.